Did several students miss the class? Do several people live in that house? Are several teachers absent today? Is no one attending the event? Is there no solution to this problem? Have none of them arrived yet? Is none of the food left? Does none of this make sense to you? Did all your friends come to the party? Have all assignments been submitted? Do you want another pen? Did you buy another shirt? Will you need another example? Did none of the plans work? Was no student late today? Have you read several books this month? Did you try several times? Is there no milk in the fridge? Was there no rain last night? Were none of the answers correct? Are all the students present? Do all roads lead to the city? Were all the lights off? Is there another way to do this? Can I have another chance?